So the SEMA crunch is on. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Eric. This is RevMatchTV, and I've got a 2020 Supra. Getting it to SEMA yesterday, I did an MHD aero kit. I'll show you that in just a second. And today, I'm gonna go to APR to get a big wing for this car. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Let's go check it out. Let me show you the aero kit first. So this is the MFR aero kit. We have a diffuser in the back, some side skirts, and a really cool front splitter. Oh, looks so good. One of the cool things about this car that I like is it does have, I guess they call it Toyota Connect, but it's really a BMW system, and it allows you to send the address that you're going to your car from your phone. Pretty cool. Oh, it does sound super nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, it was there. Here it is. There it is. It's already ready to go. Boom, and it's in. Pretty neat. Let's go for a drive. All right, the good news is I did make it to APR, and man, there's a lot of fires around LA right now, and it was difficult to get here. It's there's freeways were closed. Anyways, I made it, and here I am, and they didn't allow me to film, which is totally cool. I get that, but no point in delaying it. Let me show you the car. It is right there. Let's take a look at this wing. This is the GTC300 Supra Edition. This is, I think it's 67 inches. Oh my God, it's huge. Looks so good. And you know what's really cool is these mounts. Check out these mounts. These mounts are so nicely done. I think the car looks pretty badass. Let me just show you another angle. So we've got the MFR aero, including the front splitter, which looks very aggressive. We got the side skirts over here, and we got the rear diffuser as well, and the wing. I think we're pretty close to full race car, don't you think? I've got the fuel suspension on here, a bunch of other stuff. I've got a Cusco power brace. Don't have the wheels on yet, but I do have the wheels. Motorsport hardware down here. So this is looking real good. We did almost get ready for SEMA. I've still gotta get the wheels delivered, gotta get out to Vegas. I gotta get some livery, some decals applied to the car. There's still so much to do, but let me know down in the comments what you think of this wing, and it is gonna be available for sale super soon. I'll have a link to that pretty shortly. I wanna thank APR. This is an awesome looking wing. I'm super excited to take this to SEMA, try it out. I definitely wanna get this car on track too. So anyways, my name is Eric. There's a couple videos up on here, and I want to thank my Patreons. Their names are all on screen right now too. Furious Grommel, Real Sick Squirrel Pope, Marlboro Ferrari, Jason Purdue, and a whole bunch of others. Thank you so much. I've also got a Discord chat. You can join that too. It's free. See you in the next video.